In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check storage space in Google Drive fast and easy. Whether you're a beginner or just getting reacquainted with Google Drive, checking your storage quickly can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple and efficient as possible. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you've already signed into your Google account, you're halfway there. You can do this by simply entering Google Drive into your search engine or directly typing drive@google.com, drive@google.com, into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll likely see a prompt to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Google Drive homepage. Now that you're inside your Drive, the next step is to check the storage details. On the left-hand side of your Google Drive homepage, you'll notice a menu with various options like My Drive, Shared Drives, Recent, and so on. From that list, you're going to click on the option labeled Storage. This option will usually be towards the bottom of the list. Upon clicking Storage, you'll be presented with a detailed breakdown of how much data you're using and what's consuming your space. This page gives a comprehensive overview of the files you've stored and categorizes them by file type, showing how much space each category occupies. It's a quick way to identify large files or document types that may be using more storage than you expected. Finally, if you glance towards the bottom of this storage section, you'll see your current storage use displayed. This will show you exactly how many gigabytes of your total storage quota you have used. For example, it might say 292.3 MB of 15 GB used, for instance. Clicking on this area can bring up a more detailed view, showing you additional specifics about your storage usage, including the additional storage options if you need to purchase more space. And there you have it. You've learned how to quickly and easily check your storage space in Google Drive. This simple task can help you manage your cloud storage more effectively, ensuring you always know how much space you have left and whether any files need attention to free up storage. With just a few clicks, you're empowered to keep everything in order and avoid any storage surprises in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to hit that like button and stay tuned for more handy tech tips and tricks. Thanks